To add widgets to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25, you can press and hold your finger on the empty space in the home screen in order to open the edit mode, and then at the bottom choose widgets. Over here you have some example widgets that you can use, but you can also scroll to find the list of apps that have widgets included. So for example, we're gonna go to Spotify, and then let's say I'm gonna add this one over here. I can tap on this widget and press add in order to add it to the available space in the home screen, or I can press and hold my finger on the widget and then I can drag and drop it anywhere I wish to. You can also just go to the next page as well, or the previous one if needed. And that's pretty much it. In some cases, some widgets can be also resized. As you can see, we have these corners that are white, and we can grab it by them and move it around in order to make the widget bigger or smaller. You can also create a stack. And what I mean by that is if you press and hold your finger on the widget, you can press create stack, and you can have multiple widgets that have the same size in one place. So let's look for a widget that looks pretty much the same. So for example, over here I have a similar widget the same size, so I can tap on it and press add. And now I can swipe between them. Of course, you can add multiple different widgets, and I can swipe between them in order to have just a couple of widgets in one place. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!